Good morning, Myra.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Myra Mendoza. I am 28 years old. I am a single parent. I have two kids, and I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
Because of my family, ma'am.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because a good person, ma'am, and good opportunity, ma'am.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I'm a good working ma'am.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
Ma'am, I'm work Watson as scanner checker and nanny, ma'am.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My child, ma'am.
Okay, how about elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose elderly people you taking care of?
Mr. Cervantes, ma'am.
Is this your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I'm good cooking, ma'am, and gardening, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino foods, ma'am.
Like what?
Adobo, sinigang, and caldereta, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Ma'am, cooking and gardening, ma'am.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kid?
My mother, ma'am, and my live-in partner, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit, ma'am.
Okay. What is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
No cell phone, no day off.
Okay. How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics?
Ma'am, I'm a hardworking ma'am, responsible and honest ma'am.
Okay. How can we assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
Finish my contract, ma'am.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Myra, we have
Yes,
finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I
yes, ma'am.
have two case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, What will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
Ma'am, I finished my contract, ma'am.
Okay, number 2. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Myra, what do you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Good morning, sir, ma'am. I'm Myra Mendoza. Please choose me because I am hardworking and responsible. Share, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, Myra. We will update to
Okay.
your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Yes, ma'am.